really like more or less on the top of the mouth. But other than that, like